Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video.
Aussie yen, great currency pair. This thing has been taking a serious nosedive, over 1,300 pips, actually almost 1,500 pips over the last several months. It was going up so strong, and now we're sitting here on the weekly chart, right in here. In fact, let me draw that out, right where we're at. Right here, you can see this is a key level we're sitting at, this 8,900 mark. And so on a daily chart, let's see what this looks like. We're sitting here, right? This 8,900 mark is right in here. This is a major key level for us to be taking positions. Could see a nice bounce off that. If I can get this thing to stay at 8,900, set value, just to say 89. Between 89 and 9, really, those two levels right there, both on the long-term scale. But you can see that price is still pin barring down. The price is really pushing down on this thing. Ultimately, what's going to end up happening on this pair is the correction will be over, and it may come all the way back down into this range in here again. I'm hoping it does, and we will continue the uptrend back all over again. This is what this pair always does. And this, however, was a very significant uptrend. All the yen pairs were moving up strongly, but we've had such a correction now. I would be expecting very shortly that we are looking at some buying opportunities here. I'm not quite sure about right now, just because of today's candles. It's still pushing down. It's still pushing down, and so I'm going to wait a little bit longer, and before we start taking buy opportunities again on that pair. Let's look at the Euro Aussie. The weekly chart is showing that this thing, the euro against the Aussie dollar, has been going up, up, up. We do have this pin bar here-ish, but price then has continued this week to continue to go back up. So let's look at the daily chart. Let's look how this thing looks. To me, it looks like this thing is going up, down, up, down, up like a rocket, down, and now we're going to continue back up. Now we need to look for an opportunity. So we know the trend is up. Where we would take a buy position. I would be looking right in here at the 38.36 mark. So I would even say as good as 38.40. So if price came down on this Euro Aussie, I would definitely be taking a buy position at 38.40 and expecting this thing to run up at least to the 4,200 mark. So 38.40 would be a great place to take a buy. Let's look at the next pair. Euro pound. Love this pair. Weekly chart showing the euro pound is slowly but working its way into a downward wedge. Could see a nice explosion back up. I would love for this pair to take a run up to this level here and take us into a buy position, into a sell position. I mean, somewhere in that range-ish would be good. Which would be right now 86.50. If we can get price to come up there, I'm more apt right now to take a nice little buy at 8,400 if price would come up there. This is based on the weekly charts. Now on the daily chart, let's see how it looks. Same thing. If we can get price to come, it's been range bound pretty much. 85.50, 8,400. I'm going to actually range trade this. If you look back at my current charts, you can see how this pair has been goes range bound, and it's easy to trade when it goes range bound. And it looks like we are potentially sitting here about range bound. I would be definitely looking to take a sell on this pair at 85.50 and a buy at about 84.10 in that range there. I'm going to set up 2 different limit orders on those and kind of watch them. All right, let's go look at our next pair. Got a bunch more, so let me dig through these charts and let's see where we're at. Come on, this thing needs to close up. All right, Euro New Zealand dollar. This is a great pair too. I've taken some excellent trades off this pair. You can see that long term we are in a downtrend. Down, you got a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and now is working its way back up. Okay, so we've been working. It worked its way into an upward channel. You see that very nicely. Okay, you can adjust this any way you want, and you can see how it's been range bound. We had a pullback on that, back down to this key level ish, right? When I say ish, that means the bodies of this candle came down to, or still at the same level as the bottom of this wick. So the 5100 mark, it did bounce up, and now it looks like the euro is strengthening. It's pretty nice against the New Zealand dollar. So now we need to look at is for key levels. I think right here, this level in here, hit here, there. It's a decent key level at 36.50, but that's 400 pips away almost. We might not see a lot on the weekly chart on that. Looks like price did pull back very nicely on this nice uptrend. I would be looking if we can get any significant pullback on this pair. But just today, look how much this thing can go in one day. Let's look at what we're looking at here. Today, right now, the price is at 67.10. It was as low as 64.55. This thing can move 300 pips in a day really easily. So I would be looking right now is if we can get a nice little pullback again to the 6500 mark, 65.10. I'd be looking at a buy position on this puppy. See if we can't pull 500 pips out of that. So yeah, but with this I'll probably use a 150 pip stop because this thing 150 pips is nothing for this pair. So 6500 is where I'd be looking to take a buy because this thing is trending up very strong. But any significant pullback that I get over the next few days, I'm looking for a buy entry on this pair.
Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.